Ka Khnam Kalapin Pau Yak Sngewkhia Kabajur, Halor ka Special Intensive Revision ne ka SIR, Kabalum Kyrteng Kinong Thevur Kapadang Ya Ha Meghalaya, U President Batrekam ka Khnam U Thomas Pasa, Ulo Ong Baka Nongrim Jong Kani ka SIR, Kadai ka Thup Nong Thevur Jong Usnam Arajar San, Batlada Wat Tangwe U Trai Molok Unsha I No Na ka Thum, Kan Long Jing Bakla ka Bakrao. Ulapin Pauru ya ka Sngewkhia, Baki form Jing Brio, Kila Poish Kiriu San Perthei, Kabala Bansha Pindon Kambakla. Ulama hamru bahaki constituency kum ka West Shillong kitrai ri kila ban shakta haga jo kapor ka Khnam kala kintu ya ka election department ban pindam ki Kyrteng jong kitu kibadan artli ki eping namar kata kalong persha ki kindon jong ka election commission of India ka Khnam kan pha city show chief electoral officer bat ka kintu ya baro ki shnong ban pintikna baka Kyrteng jong ki kala don haga final electoral rule.
We have attended the meeting called by the election department in the state of Meghalaya with respect to the special intensive revision of the electoral roll. We have studied the provision of the SIR also, and of course we would express a big concern. It's not a small concern, a big concern with respect to the SIR. You see, at the end of the day, now the base of this SIR is the electoral roll 2005. That is the base. They are taking data from that electoral roll back in the last SIR, which was conducted in 2005. Now, many people who are genuine resident of the state, especially the indigenous tribe, it will be wrong if a single indigenous tribe is left out of the SIR. It will be very, very much wrong. And we have also seen a report just yesterday in the media report that the enumeration form is being given to a politician, which directs that maybe the politician or political party might use it for their political benefits. And we have areas that are very complicated. You see 18 West. 18 West is an area where the indigenous tribe are the minority voters. And how did they become minorities is very surprising. Now if we go back time, of course, the indigenous tribe were the majority resident of that area. But slowly, the indigenous tribe has become minority in the electoral process. So we are very fearful that maybe the indigenous tribe will be left out of the SIR. And if that happens, it will be a big blow to the governance system or to the political picture in the state of Meghalaya. Therefore, we will be sending a letter to the CEO also to request that to ensure that a very proper verification is to be done. And with respect to the electors who are not indigenous tribe, it is very proven, it is known, if not in document, but most of these voters who are not from the state, they have another epic in their villages also, in their concerned state of residence. They go and vote in UP also, in Bihar also. And when the election comes in Meghalaya, they vote here, which means that they have a dual epic. And dual epic is illegal as per the guidelines of the Election Commission of India. So we have requested that the election department in the state of Meghalaya, while carrying out this SIR, that they should ensure that all these people who are already having epic in the state of their birth state, their name should be deleted from the SIR. And we would like to request to all the citizens, especially the indigenous citizens of the state, to please take this SIR process very seriously. Please ensure that your name is included in the SIR final rule. Because if it is not included, it will bring a big difficulty to the generation to come. Maybe when the next SIR will be conducted in the state of Meghalaya. So we will be following up this SIR process very closely, and any new development we will be writing up to the election department in the state of Meghalaya.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.